Holy shit, dude, a new sound just dropped. What do you mean, new sound? Like, is it a new song? No. New sound. Not like a new artist or anything, like a new sound. It doesn't make any sense. What do you mean a new sound just dropped? Holy crap, this goes crazy. What goes crazy? Mad. What goes mad? I don't know. What's a new sound? All I'm saying is, I've never heard this sound before. That doesn't mean... All the sounds have been invented. When we make new music, we're just recycling the same sounds over and over again. Dude, what are you, Anthony Fantano? Let's learn to like a new sound. Don't call me Anthony Fantano. I'm not bald. Dude, it's all over Twitter. Hashtag new sound. Hashtag new sound just dropped. Hashtag new sound goes crazy. Not like the way that lyrics usually go crazy or musically goes crazy, but like the way in which I've never heard sound go crazy before. This sound goes crazy. You keep just saying the same words over and over. What do you mean new sound? Describe it to me. Was it like vibrating? It's not like vibrating. No. Is it loud? I wouldn't describe it as loud. Is it soft? Well, it certainly isn't soft. Is it like kind of empty? It's not empty. Well, okay, is it full? I wouldn't describe it as full. Then what is it? It's just new sound. Wait. This goes so crazy. Oh my god, dude. This new sound goes crazy. This goes so crazy.